After 7 years of service life, the time has finally come to replace my motorcycle battery. When it comes to choosing a motorcycle battery, there are a lot of different brands available in the market. And the purchase decision that you make will obviously reflect on the overall experience that you get with these batteries. So let's see which one should you buy in this video. If your battery voltage drops even after charging it, that means you have a damaged battery, or even it could be a rectifier issue. As I have already checked my rectifier unit, in this case by checking the battery voltage using a multimeter, you can see the voltage is dropping below 4 volt while I crank my motorcycle. And that confirms it is a dead battery and it demands a replacement. Even though there are plenty of options available when it comes to choosing a motorcycle battery, Amaron and Exide leads the industry in this regard. Even though Exide has an excellent service network, I decided to try out Amaron as I got many positive reviews about this in terms of its capability of handling high discharge voltage and also providing necessary power needed by the electronics. My motorcycle takes in a Z9 battery, which means it can deliver 9 ampere over an hour. The MRP on the box is 2448 rupees, but will be cheaper depending on from where you buy it. Amaron being a sealed AGM battery, in which AGM stands for absorbent glass mat. The mat that is referred here is fiberglass, which holds the electrolyte in place and prevents any electrolyte leakage and allows for a maintenance-free operation. When compared to normal lead acid batteries, these AGM batteries recharge faster, and since it has a low internal resistance, these AGM batteries can provide more amps and accept more amps when they recharge. Whereas regular lead acid batteries require more voltage since it has a higher internal resistance. Always make sure that you get the battery from a sealed box. Also, make sure that you get a fresh stock by referring to the manufacturing date that is mentioned in the box. In the box, you get the battery itself along with its mounting hardware. Along with this, you also get a warranty card in which if you're purchasing it offline, you must get it sealed and signed from the dealer. In case of online purchase, you can also register this battery online to get covered under warranty. This battery has a 12-month of replacement warranty, and the next 12 months is covered under warranty, in which you get a discount on the pro rata basis based on the number of months you use the battery. Now let's get into the installation part. Start by unmounting the clamps that is holding the battery onto the motorcycle. Next, always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. In this case, you might have to lift the battery a little to get access to the positive terminal. Once both the terminals are disconnected, take the battery out of the bike. Now on the new battery, install the 2 nut that is provided along with the battery as shown. Carefully place the battery onto the respective slot. Now first connect the positive terminal followed by the negative terminal at the last. Install the battery onto the battery tray and install back the battery holder that you removed. Monitor the voltage using a multimeter. After confirming the battery voltage is pretty stable and also the rectifier is working properly, before covering up everything, you need to apply a silicone grease to protect the terminals from corrosion. You can also use a terminal protection spray or a petroleum jelly like Vaseline for the same purpose. I'll be providing the link to purchase all of these in the description below. Once you evenly apply the silicone grease, cover the terminals as shown. Now install back all the panels and seat and tighten its respective bolts which you removed. Now let's have a final check. I hope this video was informative enough. If you people like this video, do consider subscribing to Archaeonics.